Hello everyone, I am here with a problem related to the geometry. Okay, यहाँ पे एक ट्रायंगल है. वी आर गिवन अ ट्रायंगल. एक ट्रायंगल दे रखा है. This is a triangle. Okay, this is 90-degree angle A, B and C. This is 90 degree. Let us draw with black so that it will be very much clear. This should be drawn in black color so that it will be very much visible to you. Okay, now this is ABC. Some what point over here? कोई एक point इस पर है on CB. Let's join this CB. CA or EA. We have to join EA. This. Not necessary. This is any. This not angle. This angle is not given to us. This is not given to us. This is not given to us. Only simply this 90 degree is given to us, and this is 30 degree. This is given to us. Length of AB is 30 unit. Okay. And length of CA, this is also given, is equal to 15 CA. 15 unit. Find the value of x. X is equal to what? I have to change my pen, I think so. बदलना पड़ेगा. It's not working. Okay, working. Now, what we can do? Let us suppose AE is equal to x. Okay, value of x. This is x. This is to be found. X is to be found. Now, what we can say? This is the triangle. The triangle area of the triangle can be obtained. इसके एरिया निकाला जा सकता है क्योंकि दिस इज बेस इज गिवन टू अस, हाइट इज गिवन टू अस. This area will be the addition of these two triangles. This plus this. Okay. Now, question is, area of the ABC triangle can be obtained. Area of triangle ABC. This will be simply equal to 1 by 2 base into hypotenuse, base into perpendicular. Base is 30 into perpendicular is 15. That is 15 into 15. Correct? Square unit. Okay. Note it down. इसको नोट कर लेते हैं, कभी काम आएगा. This is noted. Okay, this is 1 by 2. Okay. Now, area of, now this will be equal to area of triangle AEC plus area of triangle AEB. A question is how we can find the area of these triangle. इन ट्रायंगलों के एरिया कैसे निकालेंगे? इसके लिए आप ट्रिग्नोमेट्री स्टाइल में जाइए. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री को याद कीजिए. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में क्या होता है? एक थ्योरी है that if in a triangle if two arms are given, this is A into B, and in between them an angle is known to us, any angle. This is not a particular type of the triangle, किसी भी तरह का triangle है. Not a particular condition is there. Only two arms are given and in between them an angle C is given. This is C. This will be C. This will be B. and this will be A. Okay. This angle is given in between arm A and B. Let us know if it is theta. ये आप note कर लीजिए. It will be very helpful in future. Okay. Then the area of such triangle can be written as, इस ये एरिया कैसे लिख सकते हैं? इसका एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल, एरिया कैन बी रिटन एज 1/2 A into B sine of C. This is sine of C. This is C. Okay. This is the formula. This is a trigonometrical formula. If ABC is a triangle and angle between arms A and B is given, then area can be obtained 1/2 A into B sine of in between them angle, sine of the angle in between these two arms. अच्छा, ठीक है, clear. This is very useful for us because this is the triangle. देखिए ये triangle AEB, इसकी साइड एक x है, एक 30 नोन है, in between them this is 30 है. Similarly दूसरा triangle CAE, ये 60 30 है तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली 60 हो जाएगा. x और 15 के बीच में ये कोण, this is the angle between x and AC is 30. So that this is 60. Then this can be written as, this area of the triangle will also be equal to area of AEC. This will be equal to 1/2 AEC. This angle is known to us. It means x into 15 into sine of 60. X into 15 into sine of 60 degree plus the area of AEB. This is known to us 30. This is x. We have considered x is to be find out, and this angle is 30, so that it can be written as 1/2 angle 30 sine of 30, and arms are 30 into x. Correct? Putting these values, sine of 30 we know is equal to 1/2 and sine 60 is equal to √3/2. 1/2 x into 15 into √3/2. 15 √3/2. It can be written as x 15 √3/2 plus 1/2 into 30 into sine 30 is equal to 1/2. Now what is common into x? Sorry. Okay, x into 30, x into 30 into sine 30/2. Okay. Now 1/2, 1/4 can be taken common. ठीक है. 1/2 x into 15 can be taken common. 1/4 over 1/4 x into 15. This can be taken as a common. Inside the bracket, we'll get 1/4 taken common, x is taken common, 15 is taken common, √3 plus 15 taken common plus 2. This is the value of the area, which is already we are given equal to this. This is the addition of these two is equal to the angle area of the bigger triangle. That is 1 by 2, 30 into 15 is equal to 15 into 15. 15 into 15. Clear? This is the area of bigger triangle. Now, in both the sides, we are having 15 as a common. So, this 15 gone with this. Only 15 is there. It means it will be equal to 30, 60 upon root 3 plus 2. Root 60 or 30, 60 into root 3 plus 2. If we put the values of 60 and root 3, the approximately the value will become 16.1 to SQCM. This was only, sorry. This is very important to know. This is very helpful. And please keep in your mind this formula which will be applicable in this problem. Okay. Formula is trigonometric formula. If the two sides of a triangle is given to us and the angle between them is known to us, the sine of the area of the triangle can be obtained by using 1 by 2 product of the arms into sine of the angle between them. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Keep touch with me, and please don't forget to give me like and subscribe. Okay. You all people are the motivational person for me. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Good luck.